Hello there, dear viewers. Welcome to our channel. Today we will talk about adopting eco-friendly practices in wooden crafts project ideas. By showing you a collection of wood furniture and wooden decorative pieces ideas. So, watch the video until the end to see these beautiful ideas and get inspiration. Adopting eco-friendly practices in wooden crafts project ideas not only enriches the crafting process, but also plays a vital role in promoting sustainability and environmental stewardship. As artisans increasingly recognize the impact of their work on the planet, many are turning to eco-conscious methods that prioritize the health of both the environment and the communities they serve. This shift towards sustainability begins with the careful selection of materials, where artisans often seek out sustainably sourced wood, such as timber certified by organizations like the Forest Stewardship Council, FSC. By choosing materials that are harvested responsibly, artisans can ensure that their projects contribute to the preservation of forests and biodiversity. This commitment to sustainability is not merely a trend, it reflects a profound understanding of the interconnectedness of nature and the responsibility that comes with creating beautiful wooden items. The journey of adopting eco-friendly practices in woodworking extends beyond material selection. It encompasses the entire crafting process, from design to finishing. Artisans are increasingly utilizing reclaimed wood, which not only reduces waste but also adds character and history to their creations. Each piece of reclaimed wood carries its own story, often showcasing unique patterns and imperfections that can't be replicated in new timber. This approach encourages artisans to think creatively and innovatively as they repurpose materials, transforming what might have been discarded into stunning, functional art. The act of working with reclaimed wood fosters a deeper connection to the material, as artisans reflect on its past and envision its future, breathing new life into forgotten resources. In addition to sourcing sustainable materials, eco-friendly woodworking practices often involve minimizing waste throughout the crafting process. Many artisans are adopting techniques that allow for efficient use of materials, ensuring that every scrap of wood is utilized. This mindfulness not only reduces waste but also encourages a more thoughtful approach to crafting. Artisans may find new uses for offcuts, transforming them into smaller projects like jewelry boxes, coasters, or decorative accents. This resourcefulness fosters a sense of creativity and innovation, as artisans explore the full potential of their materials and challenge themselves to think outside the box. By embracing a mindset of sustainability, artisans can redefine what it means to create, viewing waste as an opportunity rather than a burden. Moreover, the use of eco-friendly finishes and adhesives is a crucial aspect of sustainable woodworking practices. Traditional finishes often contain harmful chemicals that can off-gas and negatively impact indoor air quality, as well as contribute to environmental pollution. In contrast, many artisans are turning to natural, non-toxic finishes derived from plant-based oils, waxes, and resins. These alternatives not only protect the wood but also enhance its natural beauty without compromising the health of the artisan or the environment. By selecting eco-friendly finishes, artisans create a safer workspace and produce items that are healthier for consumers, particularly for products intended for children or kitchen use. This conscious choice reflects a holistic approach to crafting, where the well-being of artisans, consumers, and the planet are all considered. The integration of eco-friendly practices in woodworking also encourages artisans to educate themselves and others about the importance of sustainability in crafting. Many artisans take on the role of advocates, sharing their knowledge and experiences with fellow crafters and the wider community. Through workshops, social media, and online platforms, they highlight the benefits of sustainable practices, inspiring others to consider the environmental impact of their work. This ripple effect fosters a culture of awareness and responsibility within the crafting community, encouraging more individuals to adopt eco-friendly methods in their own practices. By fostering conversations around sustainability, artisans contribute to a collective movement that prioritizes the health of the planet and promotes a more conscientious approach to consumption and crafting. Dear viewers, are enjoying today's content? We post furniture, decor, and craft ideas videos on a daily basis. If you are new to the channel, please consider subscribing to never miss these inspirational furniture, decor, and craft ideas. Smash the notification bell so that you will be notified when we upload new videos. Also, don't forget to like and share this video, as your likes and shares enable us grow our channel and give you more content in return. The benefits of adopting eco-friendly practices extend beyond the individual artisan. They also positively impact local communities and economies. By supporting local suppliers who prioritize sustainable practices, artisans contribute to the growth of eco-conscious businesses and initiatives. This not only strengthens local economies, but also fosters a sense of community and shared values. Artisans who embrace sustainability often find themselves part of a larger network of like-minded individuals and organizations, creating opportunities for collaboration and support. This interconnectedness amplifies the message of sustainability, as artisans work together to promote responsible practices and inspire change within their communities. Furthermore, the emphasis on eco-friendly practices aligns with a growing consumer demand for sustainable products. As more individuals seek out handmade items that reflect their values, artisans who adopt eco-conscious methods gain a competitive edge in the marketplace. Consumers are increasingly aware of the environmental impact of their purchases and are drawn to products that embody sustainability and craftsmanship. This shift in consumer behavior empowers artisans to create with purpose, knowing that their commitment to eco-friendly practices resonates with their audience. By aligning their values with those of their customers, artisans can build meaningful relationships and establish a loyal customer base that appreciates the care and thoughtfulness that goes into each piece. The creative possibilities that arise from adopting eco-friendly practices are boundless, as artisans explore innovative techniques and designs that reflect their commitment to sustainability. The integration of natural materials, reclaimed wood, and non-toxic finishes encourages experimentation and pushes artisans to expand their skill sets. This exploration fosters a sense of excitement and discovery, as artisans find new ways to express their creativity while honoring their values. The process of crafting becomes an adventure, where each project presents an opportunity to learn, grow, and innovate. This journey not only enriches the artisan's work, but also inspires others to embrace eco-friendly practices, creating a vibrant community of crafters dedicated to sustainability. In addition to the artistic and economic benefits, the adoption of eco-friendly practices in woodworking often leads to a greater sense of purpose and fulfillment for artisans. Many find joy in knowing that their work contributes to a more sustainable future and that they are part of a movement that prioritizes the health of the planet. This sense of purpose can be deeply rewarding, as artisans reflect on the impact of their choices and the legacy they are creating through their craft. The knowledge that their creations are not only beautiful but also environmentally responsible enhances their connection to their work, infusing each project with meaning. Moreover, the act of crafting with sustainable materials can foster a deeper appreciation for nature and the environment. As artisans engage with wood, they often develop a greater understanding of the ecosystems from which their materials are sourced. This connection encourages mindfulness and respect for the natural world, as artisans become more aware of the resources they use and the impact of their actions. This heightened awareness can inspire artisans to become advocates for environmental conservation, using their skills and platforms to promote sustainability and raise awareness about the importance of protecting natural resources. By cultivating this sense of stewardship, artisans not only enrich their own lives but also contribute to the well-being of the planet and future generations. As the movement toward eco-friendly practices in woodworking continues to grow, artisans are finding new ways to collaborate and innovate within their communities. The sharing of techniques, ideas, and resources fosters a spirit of cooperation that enhances the overall crafting experience. Many artisans participate in local initiatives, such as community workshops or environmental projects, where they can share their skills and knowledge with others while promoting sustainability. These collaborative efforts not only strengthen community ties but also create opportunities for learning and growth, as artisans come together to inspire one another and explore new possibilities. This sense of shared purpose enhances the overall crafting experience, creating a supportive environment where creativity and sustainability thrive. In conclusion, adopting eco-friendly practices in wooden crafts project ideas represents a meaningful and impactful journey for artisans. By prioritizing sustainable materials, minimizing waste, and utilizing non-toxic finishes, artisans not only enhance their crafting experience but also contribute to the health of the planet and their communities. The connection formed with materials, the sense of accomplishment from creating with intention, and the relationships built within the crafting community all enrich the lives of artisans in profound ways. As they embrace sustainable practices, artisans become advocates for environmental stewardship, inspiring others to consider the impact of their choices and fostering a culture of responsibility within the crafting community. Ultimately, the integration of eco-friendly practices in woodworking not only transforms the way artisans create but also shapes a more sustainable future, ensuring that the beauty and artistry of handmade wooden crafts continue to thrive for generations to come. Through their commitment to sustainability, artisans not only enrich their own lives but also contribute to the collective well-being of the planet and the communities they serve, creating a legacy of craftsmanship that honors both creativity and environmental responsibility. Well, dear viewers, there you have them. Our hand-picked for wooden craft projects for home styling and selling. Which ones did you like? What did you like about them? Share us your thoughts in the comment section. We hope you've enjoyed our today's content. If you do, please consider subscribing to our channel if you haven't already, and also smash that notification bell so that you will be the first one to be notified when we upload new videos. It takes a lot of time and effort to make these videos. Your subscriptions, likes, and shares are what inspire us to create more content. Therefore, please consider subscribing to our channel if you haven't already. And finally, thank you for watching until the end. We look forward to seeing you in our next video. Until then, stay safe and stay blessed.